hell, bro?
Keong and Diggs, they have to do this if Team Vitality need to be there. But Troll makes an entry. Keong back down, and Vitality will be taken down by
Check.
SHUL. Amazing play, shot called perfectly by the Indian squad, and just
Check.
with that knockdown, they earned their spot in the grand finals. No doubt about it whatsoever.
Pakka?
They sealed the deal with a booyah though. Lions did
Chad,
follow them.
are you sure?
Trying to get away.
Chad, are you sure?
As well. They're trying to stop the Indians, and he double.
Ref do.
We have the M590.
Chad.
It's TG still alive and kicking. They take their brothers down, and they want to booyah for
Chad.
themselves just to smile by the end of it. This looks like SHUL might have been taken down, and Total Gaming, they get their booyah. But what a game this was to decide the teams who will
Chad,
make it
please
to the
confirm
grand
karo yaar,
finals.
please.
Total Gaming starting off the survival stage with a Bollywood show, man. It had to go down to the wire. It had to go down between Vitality and SHUL. And they did not need to depend on anybody else interfering in their business. They said if there's business to be handled, we will sure as hell get it done ourselves. And what a use of the launch pad. Got right behind them, sandwiched both Gun Dynasty as well as the players from
Check.
Vitality.
मैं पूरा शिवर कर रहा हूँ भाई.
Shot, a miraculous run. They did not get lucky.
Check.
This. Everything in Esports World Cup 2026 Paris is only a fourth. There's 8 points. Where it all turned around was at Solara when they gained their very first booyah, hitting a 30-pointer, and that lit
Confirmation आ चुके हैं दोस्तों.
and they went on a run. A little
Confirmation आ चुके हैं दोस्तों.
But next Terra and Bermuda on those games 6 and 7.
It's been fucking confirmed.
Alive in them, and in this final game, man, oh man, so
We're playing the fucking finals,
definitely
Chad.
a bit of a heartbreak for the rest of the squads, especially Vitality, who got so close. They were at the top of the leaderboard at one point from the very start. You know, they would. Unfortunately, they just could not keep up that momentum. They had gone all out and they ran out of gas towards the end. The stark difference between SHUL and Vitality, how it came down. SHUL Esports managed to get only 3 eliminations in the very first game, whereas
We're
Vitality
playing
got
the fucking
17 eliminations
finals.
the very first game, and we ended the
Let's
similar
fucking
result.
go.
Here is the final top 4 chart, while Lion
Let's
from
fucking
Latin
go,
America, the only squad from Latin America at a total of 185 points. They make it through, and joining that is going to be 2 Indian squads, Team Apex Gaming and SHUL Esports, towards the Esports World Cup 2026 Paris.
खाने दो उसको जो खाना है.
And the club reigning champions, Falcons in Bro,
मरेंगे मरेंगे. ये VNT तो गई, जोकर ने डाउन दिया है भाई. घुस जा डायलॉग, घुस जा यार. कितना टीटी मारेंगे ये लोग आपस में. फाइनली एक बंदा फिनिश हुआ.
मुझे लगा पेलने वाले हैं की
कोई नहीं यार इनकी एपेक्स ने तो खैर तबाही में
एसडब्ल्यू आ गई नीचे पे. हाँ इनके नीचे पे आगे पीछे
लेट्स
पे.
गो गाइस, हो गया ऐसे ड्यूल.
भाई
एक और नॉक. दो टीम फाइनल में गाइस, 2 टीम फाइनल में.
सीधा फिनाले में.
बोल्ड मेकर किसका है यार? डीजी का नाम है.
भैया भी आ सकता है भाई.
बस लियोन को मार दो ना.
दूर जाके मार देगा.
11 बार खिलाया गया, नहीं खिलाया वो जोकर. कोई बात नहीं.
ऐसा लग रहा है हमारे उसके में जाने से पता चला
बोल्ड मेकर
मैंने क्या बोला था कि भैया के साथ
बट अपने किल तो आ गए ना.
हो गया गाइस, शॉट हो गया ना, शॉट हो गया.
इजी भैया दो टीमें
गाइस, 2 टीम हो गई भाई अपनी क्वालीफाई फाइनल के लिए. लेट्स गो बे. भाई नूर भाई ने मचा दिया भाई स्टार्ट में.
मजा आ गया. दो टीमें
अकेला बंदा
और ले डिक्स को ले लिया. अब वाइटलिटी वाले नहीं बच पाएंगे गाइस. डिक्स को अरे रिवाइव दीजिए भयंकर. अरे रश भी किस पे कर रहे हैं यार? जॉन पे रश कर रहे हैं. मजाक है क्या? मजाक है क्या? मजाक है क्या दोस्तों? कोई नहीं यार. एंटी एपेक्स ने तो खैर तबाही में चाहिए.
They have to do this if Team Vitality need to be.
Let's go. Kyong भी गया. Disqualify.
Shot called perfectly by
दो
the
टीम सीधा फिनाले में.
They earn gets spotted.
भैया भी आ सकता है क्या? भैया भी आ सकता है भाई, भैया भी आ सकता है. ए, अरे भाई क्रेजी. ए, ऐसे लग रहा है हमारे रुके में जाने से पता चला नहीं थी. मैंने क्या बोला था, टीजी भैया के साथ एंड करेगी. ए, टीजी भैया से एंड करेगी भाई. ए, टीजी भैया के साथ. Let's go. भाई दो टीमें क्वालिफाई. डांस. तुनक तुनक तुन तुनक तुनक तुन तुन तुनक तुन तुनक 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 तुन तुनक 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 तुन ताना तुनक 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 तुन ताना. मजा आ गया. दो टीमें क्वालिफाई और तीसरी टीम का भी भैया आ गया है भाई. मजा आ गया भाई. मेमोरेबल भाई, ये जो दिन याद रहेंगे ना भाई. क्रेजी.
It had to go down
क्रेजी. डब्लो
and they did not
भाई.
जा रहा था ना भाई, यही
Bro.
लाइफ बनानी थी ना भाई, ऐसा आपके मुंह में लाने तो. और भाई
done ourselves and what a use of the ball. Got right behind
Let's
them.
go.
Sandwich for Gundai.
Three Indian teams in there.
With Della coming through.
Three Indian teams in there.
Walking out at
Oh
the
my
timing.
God.
Mortality.
Oh
Trying to
my
go for the
God.
recovery.
Oh my God.
Can
Come
they
on.
do this?
Come on, lad.
Keong and
Come on,
Dex.
lad.
They have
Come
to
on,
do
lad.
this if Team Vitality need to be there. But Troll
Come on,
makes
Isidul,
an
this is the
entry.
moment.
Keong back
Come on,
down.
Isidul.
And Vitality
Come on, Isidul.
will be taken down.
Football.
By SHU.
Bro,
Amazing
so-
play. Shot
Bro,
called perfectly
so-
by the Indian squad. And just
So bro. Sorry.
that knockdown.
Bro,
They all get
so-
spot in the grand finals.
Oh
No
my
doubt about it
God.
whatsoever.
Oh
Can they
my
seal the deal with
God.
the Booyah, though?
Oh
Lions still in
my
front of them.
God.
Jackals trying to get away. The lightning zone called out as well. They try to stop the Indians. And a double Mafia with the M590.
Oh my God.
It's
India
still
versus
alive
India.
and kicking.
India
They
versus
take their
India.
brothers down. And they
Qualify
want a
हो गया,
Booyah for
bro.
themselves just to smile by
कोई
the end
भी
of it.
जीतो यार.
This looks
जीत
like
जाओ.
Ezekiel
Total
might have
Gaming
been
जीत
taken
जाओ.
down.
Oh my
And Total
God.
Gaming, they get their
Oh
Booyah.
my God.
But what a game this was.
Oh my
To
God.
decide the teams who will
Oh
make
my
it into the grand
God.
finals. Total Gaming
Oh
starting off
my
this survival
God.
stage with a Booyah, ending the day with a
Oh
Booyah.
my God.
Just
छाती
and this
ठोक के
was
बोलो
their
बे.
only chance. The youngsters, the only one who had no
छाती
experience
ठोक के
of
बोलो
such
बे.
vivid free fire out there in the world. And SATL
छाती ठोक के बोलो.
this last hurrah.
पूरे दुनिया में बोलो, फ्री फायर की कम्युनिटी इंटरनेशनली हर जगह बोलो, इंडिया की टीम किसी से कम नहीं है भाई. इंडिया की टीम किसी से कम नहीं है. हर हर महादेव भाई.
Lions stepping onto the lobby with them as well, but not only did they survive, they annihilated everybody else. And just with that knockdown,
भाई 16 अच्छा खेल रही है रे. हाँ
no doubt about it whatsoever. Can they seal the deal with a Booyah though? Lions still in front of them. Yakov trying to get away. The lightning zone called out as well. They try to stop the Indians. And he double. Mafia
अरे भाई साहब, अरे भाई साहब, अरे भाई साहब, अरे भाई साहब, 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 जबरा 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 जबरा. नाइस नाइस नाइस.
who will make it into the grand finals. Total Gaming starting off the survival stage with a Booyah, ending the day with a Booyah. Just
ये पर वो एंड में देख
गाइस, दो इंडियन टीम क्वालिफाई हो रही है. बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
It is the biggest of players. On one end, Shoto from Team Apex Gaming, and on the other end, I have
Shoto
the
Shinde.
biggest of fighters from SATL Esports. You guys have to make some noise for these lads, guys. This is two Indian teams making their very first time in Esports World Cup, and they make it to the grand finals. I want to talk to you, Shoto. We've been
भैया,
seeing your
Shoto की
family
height बहुत
being
ज़्यादा है
here.
रे.
They've been trying to support you. They have been lifting every phone and recording every bit of your performance. कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
बढ़िया लग रहा है. लाइक अच्छा ही लग रहा है बस.
He's saying, I am feeling good. He's a man of few words, just like how Bani was. But you have to break this down. From starting off yesterday, 2 Booyahs you ended up managing getting, right? And today you had another challenge. You had a score being reset. You had to do it all over again. वो आपने कैसे किया? How did you pull that off?
लाइक हम लोग ने जब कल 2 बुया मारे, हमें पता था कल की, क्योंकि लॉबी अच्छी थी, तो हमने कल 2 बुया मारे के हमें कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था कि कल कर ही लेंगे क्वालिफाई, तो हमने कल मोमेंटम क्रिएट किया और आज कर लिए क्वालिफाई।
और 500 की ट्रॉफी पे
He says that yesterday's 2 Booyah gave them the momentum. They knew the confidence that they had yesterday will be carried over today, and that's how they made it happen today, and that's how they make it to the grand finals. But I want to ask these young guns from SATUL Esports, when you started all the way back in February, that's when I remember you guys from all the way there making it to a LAN play.
कितनी बड़ी बात है दोस्तों, पता है इतने बड़े लेवल के टूर्नामेंट में इंडिया की 2 टीमें क्वालिफाइड है,
कैसा लग रहा है?
और ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, पता है, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
कुछ नहीं थे, लाइक हमें कोई जानता तक नहीं था, और वहां से होके अभी यहाँ तक डायरेक्ट TWC फाइनलिस्ट, तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है। और अभी न्यूज
किसी की लाइफ कितनी बदल जाती है, देखो कि अब एक ऑर्ग में है और एक रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं इंडिया को, और इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देके आज इस लेवल पे आए हैं। अब इनको सब जानते हैं और ये बोल भी रहे हैं। तो ये ना तुम लोगों में पावर है कि तुम लोग इंसानों की लाइफ बदल देते हो, पता है, सबकी लाइफ बदल देते हो। उनके पास टैलेंट है, तुम टैलेंट को इज्जत देते हो और वो कहाँ के कहाँ पहुंच जाते हैं।
स्टेज के लिए, नेक्स्ट स्टेज के लिए तो और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ।
He says that 6 months back, nobody knew them, who they were. They were just somebody in the circuit, somebody in the lobby, some underdogs trying to take away the names for the other ones. But now they step up on a stage and looks unbelievable. ये जरूर पूछना चाहूँगा, we ended up seeing, right, tag getting booyahs, momentum build हो चुका था, they had everything going for them. But for you guys, what was the change? What made you believe that there is a possibility? Because you didn't have Prince here, you had Noor coming in as a joinee. तो
snacks
with the
आए
new
क्या, देखो रे?
journey, how did you make this happen? कैसे हुआ ये?
आया क्या।
अरे मामा तुम पहले गाना बजाओ मामा यार।
ओशन शर्मा आपका पेज